So here I am mixing Melanie Mills Face and Body Radiance into the foundation, and I'm mixing it with Black Opal Pore Perfecting Foundation in the shades Hazelnut and Amber, and I'm mixing that down to a really smooth consistency and a little bit of it in each shade. So we've identified that Sean has about 2 to 3 tones on her face. So we're starting with that pale yellow tone underneath her eyes, then we're bringing it out to that golden yellow tone in the middle of her face, and then that reddish warm tone in the perimeters of her skin. And that's with most women of color. You're going to find about 2 to 3 tones that you need to play up. So one foundation usually doesn't do the trick. And I don't rush the foundation process. I'm layering as I go along to achieve the coverage that I'm going for. And here I am using the Lancome Wedge Sponge. I'm picking up some of that yellow tone and some of that warm tone, and I'm layering and blending as I go along. I promise it's going to start making sense in a little bit. Just stick around. I promise. I promise. Don't forget to add some of that warmth down in the chin area. The goal is to bring that warmth in her neck and décolletage up into her face. And blend, honey. Blend for filth. Yes. You better work this camera, Miss Sean. Come on now. So now I'm really going to have Sean looking like she's been sitting out in some island sun all day. I'm applying NARS All Day Luminous Foundation around her perimeter and into her cheekbone, and I'm applying that with Makeup Forever medium foundation brush. You want to make sure that every layer of product that you lay down is even and smooth. And blend some more. So here I am using a little bit of her foundation color to enhance that contour and shadow lines on her face, and I'm popping it right underneath so that it stands out a little bit more. And this is Black Opal Total Coverage Concealer in Khalari Sand, and I'm using that just to brighten up the inner corner of the under eye. And I'm applying some more Khalari Sand in the middle of her face where light hits. Don't forget to blend that out. I'm using any excess product on my brushes and contouring the nose very lightly. And I'm making sure to extend that natural shadow line into the brows. You just know when the brows are gonna be good. God dang! So I'm using her concealer here to highlight her brow bone and a flat concealer brush. Isn't Sean gorgeous? So I felt like I could deepen her contour some more, so I'm using Marena Beaute Cream Foundation in the shade St. Louis. I love this brand. Can we get to this glow? Can we get to this glow though? This is Juvia's Palace, the Warrior Palette. So gorgeous. Oh, and the brush I'm using is the Airbrush brush by Wayne Goss. And guys, I blend out every layer of product that I put down. It's my secret to ensuring that everything looks like one seamless, even layer of skin. This is Marena Beaute Blush in Sweet Brown. Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Diffused Heat. I'm a blush girl. You'll quickly learn. Let that damn girl go blending again. I'm just making sure that the under eye is real smooth before we set. And I'm setting her with Laura Mercier Translucent Loose and a Yakio Kabuki brush and a small blending brush. I'm also adding a little bit of YSL in number 4. This powder is discontinued. Womp womp. This is my way of catching fallout. I'm just applying a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder. And did I say blend? I did. And I'm finishing off her skin with Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shades 5 and 6. And I'm using those same powders to contour her nose. More blush, please. This is Lancome Rose Paradise. And I'm starting to fill her brow in with Anastasia Brow Wiz in Caramel. And as I fill in the brow, I'm brushing the hair up, so I'm creating more natural hair strokes. And I'm using those finishing powders to connect the inner part of her brow to the natural shadows in her nose. I'm softening the brow with Anastasia Brow Gel in Caramel. Okay guys, time to pick up the pace. Please subscribe to my channel to check out the finished look. This red eye look is inspired by our root chakra, located at the base of our spine. This chakra is connected to survival, willpower, stability, awakening, and our intuition, everything we need to survive in this time. Stay tuned and subscribe, coming up next.